Hello, I'm Ashoka Amarasekara from Sri Lanka, serving as the Vice President of Farangiri Holding Private Limited. I would like to extend my best wishes to Kamana Talks for fostering insightful conversations and truly inspire and educate. Keep up your excellent work. When it comes to agriculture, I believe it is not just the food production, but also the sustainability and the future of our planet. As a world evolves, we must integrate modern technology with traditional practices, promoting urban farming, vertical agriculture, and organic methods to ensure food security and environmental balance. Encourage our youth involvement in agriculture too. Thank you. My best wishes to the Kamana Talks once again.